Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ziyanda and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I am showing you this luxurious hair, this giving hair, this beautiful and gorgeous unit. This is my hair, you guys. I am definitely starting a hair business and I've mentioned this to you in passing. So this is my unit. Let me tell you about it. I'm currently selling super double drawn hair. I am starting it and I would definitely appreciate your support. So I'm starting out with bobs only. I'm starting out with 8-inch, 10-inch and 12-inch, and that is because this type of hair is super expensive even from the factory, and that's why the price point, like now I understand why people sell it at the price point that they are selling it at. This type of hair is guaranteed to last you between 5 to 10 years because of the quality and like the type of hair that it is. Like, can you see, like even from like here up until here, you can still see that it is a super full, and that's because of the type of hair. Super double drawn, that's what it's supposed to give. It's 80% leveled, like the level, I'm not sure if I'm explaining it properly, but it is 80% full at the bottom as well. It's not like your normal wig where like when it starts it looks a bit darker and as you come to the bottom it's much like lighter. This one is even darker at the bottom, and that's because it is super full and it is super double drawn. And oh, also my wigs are bone straight, so that's why you're seeing it a super flat, super like luxe top tier. That is what I am giving you, you guys. I love this hair so much. I'm sorry about that, my daughter is on the other side. This is the hair, you guys. I love it so much. It's definitely giving luxe, you guys. I love this unit so much. Tell me you don't love this hair. Tell me this hair is not banging. This is a bob for my girlies that don't like being disappointed and also don't like buying hair each and every year because of the companies where you're buying it. This is a guarantee that the hair will last you 5 to 10 years, and it also depends on the way that you are maintaining the hair and keeping the hair. If you keep the hair well, the hair will last you a long time because that's what it is meant for. So this is the beautiful unit, guys. This is 10-inch and it is a 2x6. So over here this is a 6, this long line is a 6, and it is here over here. This type of wig is what they call the Kim K type of wig. I'm sure that you know that this is like Kim's signature look or signature bob. This is it, you guys. Love it so much. Gorgeous, beautiful. The hair feels good, the quality feels good. It does not tangle at all. It does not tangle at all, and it is less maintenance. Like you put it on and you take it off, it still looks the same. If you iron this bob like 2 to 3 times a week, it will definitely give you the wave that you should be getting. Like literally when you go outside and you're wearing this bob, people will be asking you, Mdase, where did you get that bob? Where did you get it? And that's the type of thing that you want with your hair, like all the time. You want your hair to be banging and looking good, because Sana, the reason why we are not always like wearing our natural hair is because we want to look good like all the time. Yeah, this is it for me, you guys. This is a gorgeous unit. This is a glueless unit, Gisana. I'm starting out with bob wigs, so a 8-inch, 10-inch and a 12-inch. Also they will come in a 2x6, and also this is a 2x6, just by the way, and a 5x5. I'll show you just now how my 5x5 looks, and also a 13x4. A 13x4 is an ear-to-ear type of installation. You guys already know how a 5x5 looks, and that's because of my wig review. So yeah, guys, and my wigs are bone straight. I've mentioned that, but I am super in love with this quality and how it looks and how it is definitely giving. This is the type of wig that you need on a daily basis, like to save you like from, I don't know, but like this wig is definitely giving. I love it so much. Look at that. Look at that. So now why not? When you purchase with me, you guys, your wig will be dispatched within 2 days, and that's because the wigs are made here in South Africa. So I need a day to ship it, like 1 day, depending on the time that you buy it. So I'm gonna say 2 days. But if you buy it in the morning, we can definitely do it the same day and then ship it out tomorrow. But yeah, that's why I'm saying it depends when you buy it. So if you're buying it in the afternoon or evening, I'll definitely do the wig the following day. So if you are in South Africa, delivery is 100 rand. If you are in another country, you would need to contact me, and I'll leave my WhatsApp numbers over here. I can't tell you the definite amount for shipping, and that's because it's different charts, like in terms of which country you're in. So that's why I can't give you an amount. So yeah, guys, this is my lovely unit. I love it so much. It's such a beautiful unit. This is your everyday type of wig, the wig that will be speaking for you, like the wig that will be sleek on a daily basis, wig that does not need like much maintenance but will definitely give you the look that you're looking for. This is the Kim K type of bob gesa. Now this is it, my dear. Love it so much. Let's move on to another wig, you guys, so that you can see the other wig and also more explanation. As I've mentioned, it is a glueless wig. Oh, the one thing that I did not mention, the lace is HD type of lace, but not the thin type of HD, and that's because this hair is meant to last you like a little bit longer. So this is like a thicker type of HD, which usually lasts about 5 to 10 years depending on how you treat the hair, obviously. So it is a bit thicker, not thin. The ones that are thin are meant like for 1 to 2 years, or like from 1 to 18 months, somewhere there. This one is a bit thicker, and that's because it's meant to last you a long time. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is my gorgeous unit. I hope you support my small business. Let's go. Let me show you that it is a glueless lift check and putting it back on. Yeah, this is it, you guys. This is my 8-inch super double drone as well. Super gorgeous and beautiful unit. This is one of my favorite wigs. I love it so much. I used to have this type of color in varsity, and I was like, I definitely need this type of color. I just need it, so I love it so much. So this is in the 5x5, as you can see over here. Lace is HD, as I've mentioned. This is it, you guys, and this is how it looks. Such a beautiful and gorgeous unit. As I've mentioned, this is super double drawn hair, and it is, I think I've mentioned that it is 8-inch. What else would I like to say about this hair? Oh guys, if you'd like to order colored hair, I don't have it readily available here in South Africa, and that is because when we dye it, so I've tested the hair, like if we dye it here in South Africa, like how long does it last? The dye does not last that long, so that's why I'm choosing for my supplier to dye it themselves and send it and ship it here in South Africa. So if you do want a colored type of wig, that would roughly take about 3 to 4 weeks to be shipped to South Africa. But if you want a natural color, like a black color or natural like type of black color, it is readily available in South Africa. Once you make your order, you'll probably have it shipped in like 2 days, and that's because the wigs are made here in South Africa. So that's why we need 2 days so that we can make the wig and then it can be shipped to you. And yeah, this is it, you guys. SDD hair is definitely for the type of girlies who want to invest in like a good hair and good quality and great quality, and those girls that don't like being disappointed in terms of like the companies that they're buying the wigs from. This type of quality lasts you a maximum of 5 to 10 years depending how you use it and how you maintain the hair as well, but it is meant to last you between 5 to 10 years. If you maintain it well, the hair will definitely last you. Another thing, when you're buying a 5x5 or a 2x6, it is not like a 13x4. So whenever you you wear it whenever, and before you sleep you put it back, so you don't need to wash it like all the time. It's not like a 13x4 where when you wear it you need to sort of like wash it again and that type of thing. These ones will definitely last you a long time. Such great quality and good hair. This is it, you guys. SDD super double drawn, and this is 8-inch. This is Vietnamese hair. Yeah, this is it, you guys. This is my unit. This is my favorite unit. I think that is it from me. I will definitely see you in my next upload. This hair will be available on the 16th of February. I will be going live with the hair, so please do support your girl. Please support my small business. I would definitely appreciate it. If you want good quality and great type of hair that will last you a long time, this is definitely it. Love it, Kesana. I will definitely see you in my next upload, okay, my dear. Love you loads. I've mentioned that this is HD lace and it is a glueless wig. So yeah, this is it. Glueless, then put it down again. Yeah, it looks like it has been installed, but it hasn't. That's definitely what it is supposed to give. So yeah, great quality at a good price. I will definitely see you in my next upload, okay, my dear. I love you loads. Bye.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want